Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to flip and rotate your video on iPhone without installing any video editor application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your iPhone and let's jump into the photo library, and then you just need to click it, and in this photo library you just need to choose the video that you want to flip and you want to rotate. For example, I already have the video sample over here, so you just need to click it to pop up the several informations over this video, and after that you just need to go click edit. In this edit part, you just need to take a look on this bottom side here, and there will be several options that you can use. So you just need to click the right part over here, and after that you need to take a look on this upper corner, and you just need to click this first button to flip your video. And now you can see that your video is already flipped it. But if you want to rotate it, you just need to use the second button, and you just need to adjust in which positions that you want. If you want to make a horizontal video, it must be good for you. Whenever you're done with everything, you just need to done. And here is the result. So that's the way how to flip and rotate a video only with iPhone. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.